Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Karli and I'm so happy that you're here. So in today's video I want to share with you 5 of my favorite lunch or snack ideas for work or school. So I kind of get stuck in a habit of what I eat. I like to buy the same things, I like to prepare the same things, and these are the things that I've been eating almost every day for the last like 2 to 3 weeks. So I thought I'd just give you guys some ideas of things you could take to work or to school that are like really low preparation, takes no time at all, and that are pretty healthy and really tasty. So I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell if you want to be notified, and let's get into it. So for the first lunch, I'm gonna just cut up some veggies. So right here I'm gonna cut my celery up. I like to cut them in smaller chunks so that they're not super loud when I bite into them. And then the next thing I'm going to do is cut up this pepper, and I find this is the easiest way to cut it. And again, I like these actually in bigger chunks because then I can scoop more hummus on them. Next, I'm going to take these little tomatoes. I'm obsessed with these and they're already washed. I'm going to stick them in this Tupperware bowl along with my peppers. I'm going to try and make a little rainbow with my veggies, and then I'm going to put these rainbow carrots in because they're so delicious. I got them from Trader Joe's and I just think they're really pretty because they're different colors. So I'm going to add all these veggies into this glass bowl. I'm going to have these veggies with my favorite hummus. Now for the protein portion of this meal, I'm going to take this turkey sausage from Trader Joe's as well as this cheddar cheese from Trader Joe's. I'm going to cut it up into small slices. I love crackers, cheese, and sausage right now, so that's what I'm making. I'm going to stick it in this glass bowl, and then I'm going to cut up this sausage into little slices. The reason I love this sausage so much is because it's high protein and low fat. And I'm going to add the sausage into the bowl with the cheese. These are my favorite gluten-free crackers. They're very salty and I just think the texture of them is delicious. I'm going to take a little handful, add it into my Tupperware, and then close it off. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my story all about this hummus. I am obsessed with it and I eat it pretty much every day. And that's it for my first meal. The next lunch is probably the easiest one. It's a pre-made salad from Trader Joe's. It's the classic Greek salad. I think it's so delicious, and then I love these ice drinks, and then a little treat, so I just did the chocolate covered raisins from Trader Joe's. And there you have it for the second lunch idea. It's healthy and delicious. I'm a huge fan of these microwavable quinoa packets. So you just put them in the microwave for about 3.5 minutes and then it's all good to go. So I just love how easy it is. So I'm going to microwave some of the quinoa, put it in this glass container, and then add a few slices of this delicious chicken from Trader Joe's as well. I can't say enough good things about this glass Tupperware. It keeps my food super fresh and I use it every single day. If you're into spices, you might want to add a couple spices or some salt and pepper because this meal is a little bit more bland. I don't mind it this way at all. I think it's still delicious. And then I'm going to have a little treat. I'm going to do the dark chocolate honey mint patties. And that's it for my third lunch. For my fourth lunch, I'm going to do hard-boiled eggs in my Instant Pot. So I just get my Instant Pot going, I turn the lid, and then I press manual. I do 4 minutes, and then I make sure the sill is on sealed instead of venting, and then my eggs are going to cook in my Instant Pot. I'm going to do a quick release, and then I'm going to do an ice bath for the eggs so they stop cooking. As soon as the eggs are cooled, I'm going to peel them, and then I'm going to stick them in this little glass container with a little bit of water. And then when I'm ready to eat them, I will just add salt and pepper. Next, I'm going to do an apple and almond butter. I love this. It's almost like a treat to me. I think it's so tasty. So I'm going to take this Trader Joe's almond butter and I'm going to do 2 tablespoons into this little glass container. This is the smallest jar I have and I find it's the perfect container for my almond butter. So I love this as a part of my lunch or even as an afternoon snack. Along with my apples and peanut butter and my eggs, I love to have a little crunch. So right now I've been loving these multi-seed tamari soy sauce crackers. Again, they're from Trader Joe's, no surprise there. I just think they're really tasty, crunchy, and salty, so they're the perfect addition to this lunch. And here's the final product. And for my fifth meal, I'd just recommend taking some vegetables and hummus, some apple and almond butter, and some crackers and maybe a few chocolate raisins and an iced drink and calling it good. My favorite lunches are the ones that don't take a ton of time to prepare, so that's what I'd recommend doing for the 5th lunch. Then I'm just gonna stick my lunch in this Lululemon bag and stick it in the fridge, so when I'm ready to leave in the morning, all I have to do is grab it and go. Okay, got my lunch ready for the morning. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys next time.